The first Power BI dashboard I have pulled up here was designed with a hospital unit in mind. And you can see I have a few different visuals here that show work RVUs and patients by performing provider and also by day. And I have all of our data here broken down into a financial class pie chart. And then over here, I have a couple different cards. So all of this data can be sliced using our slicers on the left-hand side here. If we wanted to see this for a specific physician, we could go over here, filter for Dr. Smith, and we can do the same for date, for patient gender, or for financial class. Or if we want to look at only our pediatric population, we can use this age slicer to filter by age. All of these visuals can also filter each other. So let's say I want to get a better look at our Medicare population. I can click on that segment, and now all the other visuals will be filtered for only the Medicare population. You can also see which portion of their patients and work RVUs are related to that segment of the patient population.